So yes, that is true. A lot of people have been asking me and yeah, pretty much torturing me and bombarding me with questions of what's underneath my desk. But yeah, it's my new gaming and productivity PC. Built one and I'm very, very proud of it. So I feel like I want to share it with you guys. But yeah, if you guys have been noticing in few of my videos that I've actually done, I've actually had this bad boy underneath the desk. And yeah, it's higher and the configuration I can't even say that word. It's a little bit different from my old PC. So yeah, if you guys follow me on my social media like Instagram, Facebook, you should have seen a picture of this big bad boy. But yeah, there's nothing else to say but to say let's check it out. So yeah, that's my PC. It's the gaming and productivity PC, and trust me, it is a beast of a machine. So, if you guys don't know, maybe a year back or something like that, a year and a couple months back, I actually did a video on my whole setup, like my peripherals, my monitors, the PC, and I believe I did a video a couple months back specifically about the actual PC, as in talk to you guys about the parts inside and stuff like that. And yeah, basically today's like another of that video. I'll be doing a full tour setup soon, but today is all about the PC. So as you can see on the table right now, I have two of the things that I used to actually build my PC. I did an unboxing on everything that I used for the PC. If you want to watch that video, it'll be linked down below, or you can just click up there to check that video out. And yeah, I'm gonna go through the specs and then we go from there. So the main thing that's actually, in the PC is the water block, because without the water reservoir and pump, I can't do a water cooled rig. It's water cooled, as you guys already guessed. And yeah, for the pump, I'm rocking EK's newest pump combo unit. Basically, it's a pump and a reservoir. So yeah, it's a pretty nice one. It's one of the newest one they have. It's RGB and it's called the EK Quantum Kenta. I don't even know. Kinetic. But yeah, this is the newest one they have and they brought out. And I actually got this on a very, very good price, because new is about 140 something pound, something ridiculous like that. And I actually picked this up for 80 pounds, which was an absolute steal of a price. So yeah, literally, the guy, I bought it from a Facebook Marketplace, and I believe that the guy must have just put it on, and I've just seen it and gone straight for it. Because I've been looking for a long time for a good block that could handle the whole thing, and this, I believe it's a D5. Apparently they're the best ones, so yeah, it's a D5. But yeah, that's the newest one. It's RGB, like I said, and it works with pretty much whatever lighting software that you have downloaded on the PC. And then obviously I got the fans, which sits on the radiator to cool the radiator for the liquid that travels around the PC. And for the fans, I'm rocking a well, it's called a Easy DIY Fab fans. So there's actually 5 in this pack that I bought, and yeah, I used 4 for my Radiator, which is a 480mm. So put 4 of them bad boys in there, so it's plenty enough to cool the whole system, and obviously cool the water that pumps around the system, which is good. And I've got one more left, which is in the box right now actually, so might do a giveaway on that, but I don't know because it's just a spare one sitting doing nothing. But yeah, got that. And then moving on to my Radiator, actually I need to talk a little bit more about that. It's from a company, I can't remember what company it is, but it's a good company, and the radiator is actually made out of copper, which is good because they say that's more long lasting than aluminum for you American guys out there. But yeah, I got the copper radiator in there, which is very, very good. It's nice because, like I said, it's gonna last a little bit more longer before you buy another one, or even clean it out. Because what I actually did when I built the PC was clean out that radiator before I put the coolant in there, which was very, very handy. And then from there, I also have the processor I have in there is an i7 8700K, which is a beast. It's got 8 threads and no, actually I think 4 cores and 8 threads. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that, but it's ridiculous. It's a very, very good for the day and age we're in right now. That's a very, very good processor to go for, especially when you're doing photo editing. It's really, really good. And then for the CPU block that I have cooling that CPU is a block from I forgot what it's called now. Barrel, that's the one. It's a Barrel. Obviously, it's a Barrel CPU block on there, cooling it down, and it's of course RGB as well. The PC was all RGB themed, so there's different colors and different lightings and all that stuff. But yeah, and then I got my pipings obviously, and then well, for my graphics card, my GPU, I'm rocking the ARUG GTX 1080 Ti, and that apparently is the best card you can get for photo and video editing. Well, it's not the best card you can get, because obviously you got the RTX 2080 Ti, which is just an absolute beast of a card. Even it's more expensive than some of the 30 series card, which is just mind blowing because it's an absolutely phenomenal and amazing card. But yeah, didn't have a grand to spend on a 2080 Ti, so I bought the 1080 Ti instead. But it's still a beautiful card. Literally, I'm rendering 4K 10-minute videos, well, up to 10-minute videos in about 9 to 10 minutes, literally. Rendering is just so quick, and then exporting is about 9 to 10 minutes, which is just absolutely insane. 4K footage as well. It's just absolutely awesome. And then yeah, what else have we got? We got the power supply. Power supply is from Corsair. It's a 500 watt, so it's enough power to obviously run the whole system. And then yeah, I got a few. Then the motherboard is from ASUS ROG motherboard in there, gaming motherboard in there. It's got RGB in there as well, which is very, very nice. And then for I got custom braided sleeving cables as well, which is pretty nice. Green, so it just gives it a little bit more of a nice color effect instead of the stock cables that you get from the actual PSU to the graphics card and into the motherboard. It just spices things a little bit up, which looks even more nicer. And then the RAMs that I got is G.Skill RAM. They are 2400 megahertz. I know for a build like this, you would be expecting something running at a top, more higher hertz, but obviously when I started building my PC, I didn't know anything about PC, so I just bought whatever I can get my hand. Well, not whatever I can get my hands on. I just bought like the RAM sticks, the motherboard, everything like that. But yeah, that's gonna be upgraded very very soon. Not sure yet. I'm just waiting on for some good RAM sticks to come by so I can grab them. But yeah, but it's still okay at the moment. Got two of them there, and we're rocking 32 gig, no 16 gig actually. So 8 gig, and for one each is 8 gig. So I'm running a 16 gig of RAM in the PC there, and then the case, the holy grail, the thing that holds everything together. And oh my god, I've been waiting for this case for the longest time. I waited like nearly 2 months for this case. This is the Thermaltake Core P5 TGE, so the timber glass edition basically. And oh my goodness, I waited so long for it. I literally had everything, all the parts ready to go, the pipes ready to go, ready to make everything. But the case was just the one that was just taking the piss. It took so long for it to come because everyone was out of stock. And yeah, it's just absolutely ridiculous. Finally got it, built in it, and it was just absolutely awesome. Had a video to show you guys of unboxing it, building it up, and actually building the PC inside of it. But guess what? I lost the footage. I must have accidentally deleted it. Can't recover it. Can't do anything with it. But yeah, you know what? It is what it is. But yeah, that's my PC, and that's what's gone into making the PC and what it is. It's an absolute beast. I just literally cannot wait to actually do some hardcore things on it, like gaming and stuff like that. I mean, editing is really hardcore, but gaming is on another level. But yeah, it's gonna be nice to see how this thing runs. But yeah, it's a clean build. Obviously, if you guys want to build it as well, it's there. You can have a look and build that as well for yourself. But yeah, that's been the video. Absolutely awesome. If you've enjoyed the video, you want to see more PC related videos like this, or even my setup related videos, please smash that like button. Also, comment down below, tell me if you like the video and you want to see more videos like this, and also hit that subscribe button. Why not? It's free, so you might as well do it. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on whenever I upload a video. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.